What if a simple shape held the secrets of your own perception? Let's dive in to discover the truth. In a quiet town, a curious mind named Charlie spent endless nights scribbling on a dusty chalkboard in his attic. One evening, as the candlelight flickered, he drew a triangle, yet this wasn't any ordinary triangle. The lines shimmered and twisted, giving off an almost magical 3D depth that defied all logic. Words spread fast. Neighbors, friends, and even skeptical scientists gathered around to witness what they soon dubbed the 3D triangle illusion. Charlie explained in simple terms that our brains are hardwired to seek patterns and fill in gaps. This triangle wasn't just an optical trick. It was a clever play on how our minds process light and shadow, turning a flat shape into a mind-bending spectacle. Determined to uncover more, Charlie hit the books. He dove deep into studies on vision, perspective, and the way our eyes blend reality with imagination. His discovery was simple yet explosive. Every time you look at this triangle, your brain creates extra dimensions, layering new stories and secrets into what you see. It was as if the triangle was a hidden doorway into the inner workings of your mind. And then the unexpected happened. Around town, similar illusions began to appear: graffiti, murals, even old carvings that seemed to pulse with life. It was like the triangle had awakened something deep within everyone, a spark of wonder that made people see the world with new eyes. Today, Charlie's discovery isn't just a cool trick. It's a reminder that magic lies in the simplest things. That single triangle challenges us to question reality, to see beyond what's immediately in front of us, and to always be curious. The 3D triangle illusion isn't just art or science. It's an invitation to unlock the hidden depths of our own perception.